Okay, as I was saying, we just go straight to our lesson. Science 5. Are you in primary 5? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, good. And now today we are going to start from our first topic. And our first topic is, who can read for me our first topic?
Living things in the environment.
Very good. Living things in the environment. Living things in the environment. Do you know the meaning of the word environment?
Yes.
What is environment? What is environment? Okay, someone needs to unmute the microphone and read for me the meaning of the word environment. Someone to read for me. Where's Jaja? Jaja, what is environment? Jaja, can you read the screen?
It is the
surrounding
in what a person, animal, or plant live.
It is the surroundings in which a person, animal, or plant live. You live in an environment, and in the environment there is a space where we live. Okay, students, you understand?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, and again, let me ask one person reading the meaning of the word environment. Yaya, is there someone called Yaya? Yaya, please read again.
Yes.
Read. What is environment?
It is the surroundings in which a person, animal, or plant lives.
Good. Good, Dika. That is the meaning of the word environment. We are in the environment. We build our houses in the environment. Animals live in the environment. We are in the environment because in the environment there is a space. You know the meaning of the word space? Yes? Space means, Kasada, space is? Huh? Someone needs space. What is space? So when you want to sit down, you will say, I want to sit down in this space. What is space in Pasagai?
สิ่งแวดล้อม
Yeah, that one. Now the environment is made of two things. We have two things that make up the environment. How many things make up the environment?
4.
4?
2.
2. Okay. Very good. Two things that make up the environment. And what are these things? Let's see these things that make the environment. One is, can you read for me that one?
Living things.
Living things make the environment. Do you know examples of living things, please? Can you tell me examples of living things, right?
Yes.
Animals.
Yes.
Plants.
Bacteria. Fungus.
Fungus. and
and
processing.
proceed.
Pro, pro,
Yes.
okay?
Okay.
Okay.
You understand? And then you can name many living things. We have a lot of living things. When it comes to animals, we have a lot of animals. Do you know animals' names like
Yes. Panda.
Yeah.
kangaroo,
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
giraffe,
Mole.
mole,
Zebra.
zebra, elephant,
Fish.
cow,
Tiger.
tiger,
Duck.
duck,
Chicken.
chicken,
Penguin.
penguin. Okay, very good. We have a lot of animals. Very, very good. Those who have said, those who have given me the answer, the teacher is clapping for you. Very good. You are good students. You know you are very good. Do you know that?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Now, next, we say that the environment is made up of two things.
Non-living things.
Non-living things.
Things.
Thank you, Namkin. Non-living things. These are non-living things are not alive. Living things are alive. Okay?
Okay.
Now, examples of non-living things. Read these examples that you see on the screen. Soil,
Soil. Water.
Soil, water, light,
Air.
minerals,
Air.
air.
yeah, very good. And now you can name a lot of non-living things, like a stone, like a book, like
A book.
Yes.
A paper.
paper,
A pen.
pen,
Pencil.
pencil,
Sharpener.
Window.
window,
Fan.
fan,
A lot of things in the world.
Rubber.
rubber. There are a lot. A house is a non-living thing. A car, a train. Those are non-living things.
Motorbike.
A motorbike. A bicycle. Bicycle is chakala. Chakala. Bicycle is a non-living thing.
Cakayan.
Okay, very good. You are very good. Okay.
Yay.
Now we have said that environment is made up of two things. Two things that stay in the environment: living things and non-living.
Non-living things.
You understand that one?
Biotic and a biotic.
Good. Anoma, very good girl. Biotic are living things, and abiotic are non-living
Non-living things.
things. Very good. Now next, let's see what next that follows. How
Non-living things.
non-living things
Survival of living things.
how non-living things affect the
The
survival of
survival of
living
living things.
things. Now, survival means, do you know the meaning of the word survival?
No.
Survival means stay alive.
Uh,
Stay
okay.
alive. Alive. When you are like, for example, living things are alive and non-living things are not alive. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Now, alive means, Pasagay, alive is?
มีชีวิต
มีชีวิต
And not
ไม่มีชีวิ
alive
ต
is?
ไม่มีชีวิต
ไม่มีชีวิต
And when something is not alive, we say decimale, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now, non-living things that affect the living things are air,
Air,
sorry,
And
air,
air,
water,
water,
water, light,
and
soil,
soil,
and temperature.
yes,
non-living things
Not
that
everything.
affect the survival of a living things in an environment.
Anoma, very good girl. Air, water, light, soil, and temperature are examples of
Of
non-living
that
things
can affect
Non-living
the
things.
that can affect
survival of a
the
living
survival of
in
a
an
living
environment.
thing in an environment. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Now, you
Okay.
know that living things should take in air, right?
Yes.
Yes.
If
They should take in water, right?
yes.
Yes.
They should use light, yes?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Living things like plants, they must have soil, yes?
Yes.
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 And temperature, also temperature. Now let's see one by one how it affects non-living things. Now
If
starting
it's too hot and then the animals will die.
very good. You are very cute girl. If it is hot, too hot,
Plants and
animals die.
animals need
Why?
air to
Why?
stay
Why? Because
alive.
Because it's too hot.
why?
Because the sun.
The oxygen.
Because it is too hot. Okay. Now starting from
Because
air.
the sun is
We
because
breathe.
too hot.
Yeah. Now start from air. We
Like
breathe
heat.
in. We breathe in
The
air. Okay. Which air do we breathe in? Which air do we breathe in?
Oxygen.
oxygen.
Yeah. Very good, girl. Oxygen. We breathe in oxygen. And plants breathe out
Carbon dioxide.
carbon
Carbon
dioxide.
Yes.
dioxide.
But do you know that plants at night breathe in oxygen? Do you know?
Yes.
At
Yes.
night,
Yes.
plants breathe in oxygen. But
Yeah.
during daytime,
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
oxygen. During daytime like this, they breathe in carbon dioxide.
The sun is breathed in and then carbon dioxide get in the tree and then when the tree breathes out and then it will be oxygen for us.
Yeah, very good. Now plants need the sun. There must be, in order for plants to grow, there must be sunlight. Okay?
Okay.
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 And there is a process that takes place whereby plants make their own food. They use sunlight and air and water to make their own food. Now you see here there is a tree, there is the sun, and there is a cow. A cow takes out carbon dioxide, and a tree takes in carbon dioxide and takes out oxygen.
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 Very good. So we conclude that in order for living things to stay alive, there must be air. There must be
Oxygen.
There must be oxygen. oxygen. In order for all living things to stay alive, there must be oxygen. Very good. They must breathe in and out. They must breathe in and out. Are you breathing in and out right now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, you are breathing in
Breathe
and
in and
out
out.
right now. Okay, now next, someone need to read on the screen, Yaya. And
Plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen.
wow, very good guy. Plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Release means
Yes.
release. Release, we can say they take out. They take out. They release. They take out oxygen. You understand?
Plants
Plants
take
take in
in carbon
what?
dioxide
Carbon
and
dioxide
release
and they
oxygen.
release oxygen. Very good. Now next, animals need to take in what?
Oxygen. Oxygen.
Animals need
Carbon
to
dioxide.
take in oxygen
And
and
release carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide.
release carbon dioxide. Very good. And you, what kind of air do you breathe in? You
Oxygen.
oxygen. And do you take out air? What kind of air do you take out?
Carbon dioxide.
Very good. I have a very beautiful class here. And next, light. How does light affect living things? Where do we get
The
light
sun
from?
is a source of
The
light.
sun
is a source of light. Of light.
Because when the
Okay,
plant get the sun,
where do we get light from?
the sun.
From the sun. The sun is the source of light. There must be the sun in order to see each other. I see a normal because there is light, right?
Yes.
Okay, now beside here I have a diagram that explains how the sun, how living things use sunlight. I have a plant, and this is the process that we call photosynthesis. When plants make their own food, they use light. They use sunlight. Sunlight must be there in order for photosynthesis to take place. Now here we have sunlight from the sun, and then we have oxygen being taken out and carbon dioxide being taken in, and water. So we have 1, 2, 3. Water, air, and sunlight. There must be present when the plant makes their own food. Right. This diagram that you see here, you can conclude that this is the process of photosynthesis taking place. What is the meaning of the word photosynthesis?
Plant needs sunlight to make their own food.
Very good. Plants need sunlight to make their own food. And then this process
is called photosynthesis.
yeah, this process is called photosynthesis. The process in which plants make their own food is called photosynthesis. Now, I want to ask you a question. Do animals make their own food? Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Make their own food. How? Hello, students. Do animals make their own food?
Yes.
No,
Yes.
animals don't make their own food. Animals, they eat already made food from plants. Plants make their own food, but animals, they feed on plants. So we say that animals don't make their own food. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, if you don't understand, we will come one day we will learn about that. It's on the way coming. Next we have water. How does water affect living things? Do you stay alive if there is no water? Can you stay for one day without taking in water?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
one day, 2 days.
And animal need water to stay alive.
Where are people gone now? There are some people who have gone to sleep. Are you there?
Living things like fish
Page.
need
There was
water to
someone
stay
called
alive.
Page.
Some living things like fish need water to stay alive.
Ah, very good. Page is there. Katalin, very good. Happy to see you. Okay, water. Plants and animals need water to stay alive. There must be water in order to stay alive. Even you, Namkin, Yaya, Jaja, you cannot stay three days without water. You must take water every day because it is too hot now. You know, Thailand is very hot. Okay, some living things like fish need water to stay alive. Can fish live alive without water?
No.
No. Can you stay alive for 1 month without water? 1 month. Yes? No? No. Oh, Emmanuel, welcome. There is someone called Emmanuel. Welcome. Emmanuel, this is teacher Naomi talking. You were not there when I started my lesson. I didn't see you, Emmanuel. Okay, Emmanuel, welcome. We are talking about water. How living things are being affected by water. How water affects living things. And we have said that without water, living things can die. Without water, living things can die. Now, in my diagram, what do you see here in the picture? Where are you? Where are you? Please speak to me, please. Students, speak to teacher. What do you see in the picture?
Yeah. Uh, animal.
Animal drinking water.
Animal drinking water. And next, what do you see?
A human drinking
Men
water.
drink water.
Drinking water.
Human drinking water. And next, what do you see?
And
Is
eat water.
in my ground.
Eat water.
Plant. You don't see the plant being watered. A plant. That is a plant. So we say that animals, plants, And human beings like Emmanuel, like Yaya, like Paige, like Jaja, like Anoma, like Napkin. Wow, I know a lot of students in this class. They need water. They need water to stay alive. Okay. Why do you write in? Why are you writing chatting in Pasagai now? Teacher can't read Pasagai. What are you writing, students?
I don't know what they talking.
They are talking here, and I don't understand this Pasagai. Are you writing that this teacher is very bad?
Oh, no, no,
No, no.
No. Do you like your teacher?
Yeah.
Because I like Napkin very much. I like Jaja, Bed. Students they speak
Warm, yeah.
together. They are very, very active now. Soil. Look at that soil.
It's die.
Plant. Someone
Plant
is?
get water and nutrients from soil.
Plants get water and nutrients from the soil. These are plants. You see, these plants are on the soil.
It's a grass.
Yeah, and then next soil is
Soil is also home for some animals and
Earthworms and moles.
very good. Soil is also home for some animals like cutworms and moles. You know what moles are? Yes, the moles.
yes. It looks like hairy dog.
Very good, like that. Yeah, and this is an earthworm. This one, the animal that you see. Earthworm. Yes. So we say that soil is also home for some animals like earthworms and moles. They stay inside the soil. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now can you think? Can you think without soil? Without soil, how could animals be? How could plants be without soil?
They will die.
Let's say there is no soil. Where will we plant our plants? Nowhere.
We have just a little bit of oxygen because soil, so we will
Very good, Dad. You are trying. No, now because this soil is very natural. Can you imagine now there is no soil? No soil. It means that there will be no plants. It means that the animals that live in the soil will be no more. They will not be there. Okay? So we say that soil is cow. Welcome the cow. So it means that soil is very, very necessary for plants to grow and also home for some animals. Some animals live in the soil and plants grow from the soil. Very good. Now, temperature.
Temperature is the
Temperature
hottest
is the
of
hottest
of
a
plants or things.
That is the meaning of temperature. The hotness or coldness of a place is what we call temperature. Some places are very hot and some places are very cold. You see my two pictures?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Some places are very hot and some places are very cold. Okay, temperature is the hotness or coldness of a place. Now, students, at the end of this topic, do you have any question?
No, thank you.
No.
Are you
No
sure?
question.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Have.
Okay, now I want to leave you with homework.
Good one.
Now, we are doing
Out.
this book.
I love.
What book?
Yes.
Now, you see on the screen,
Yes.
What page?
page
What
1,
page?
just page 1. It is in page
Page
1.
1.
Page 1.
Yeah, workbook.
Yeah.
Workbook, page 1.
Workbook, yeah. Okay, workbook.
And you,
Workbook, page
and
1.
you answer,
It's time out.
pardon?
Oh my. I see it.
Yeah, that is your homework. When you didn't understand, you try to read your book, you revise, and you get the correct answer. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Teacher, do one page.
Yeah, teacher. Time out.
Do you have a question?
Thumbs up. No thank you. No question. No question.
Yeah,
Today
time
I
is up.
answer
I want to end my lesson, and if you don't have a question, what is my name?
Teacher Naomi.
Very good.
Naomi.
Yeah, very good. I'm going to stop there, and then we will continue from there next time, tomorrow. Tomorrow, a time like this, we will also have our science lesson. We will continue from where we have stopped. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. I